Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the front camera between the Honor 9X Pro versus the Poco X2 device, friends. And if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description also how you can install the Google Play Store services and what are the alternative app markets available. And if you want to follow me in Instagram, you can follow, friends. There will be plenty of camera samples and selfie samples I'll be posting in the Instagram page. So do also follow me in Instagram and you can ask the questions in the Instagram. And in the Telegram group, I'll be posting all the APKs for all the applications which I've mentioned in this video. So which will be very good in terms of installing the Google Play Store services in those Honor 9X Pro device. And don't forget to check the links in description, friends, if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using exactly and any other interesting videos. You can check the links in description, even PUBG Battleground test. So same kind of PUBG test I did come side by side comparison with the Poco X2 versus Honor 9X Pro device, friends. So where you can check this video, so which is very good and interesting in terms of watching this video. So you'll get to know which phone is good. And let's get started with the camera front cam test. So the reason why I'm doing the front camera only because it takes a lot of time in making this camera comparison, friends. So that's why I decided to divide into two parts, one with the front cam and one with the other back camera. So in this front camera, I'll be covering all the images which I have taken and all the videos which I have taken in both the phones side by side. So I'll be explaining you in detail, friends. And let's get started. So let me open the front camera in both the phones. And one thing is that the Poco X2 comes with a 20 megapixel camera, and whereas the Honor 9X Pro comes with a 16 megapixel camera, friends. That is the one thing you need to notice, 20 megapixel versus 16 megapixel. As we all know, in terms of the fastness, definitely the Poco X2 will be opened faster because of having the in-display camera. So let me try again by opening the camera at one time. As you can see, friends, so Honor 9X Pro is just marginally fast, but not that fast. So overall, this is a camera interface, friends, how it looks. So in Poco X2, you get the option of having the HDR colors, as you can see, so which is not present in the Honor 9X Pro. But don't worry, friends, there is a AI. So the Honor AI photography is very good, which will enhance pretty much. So it works pretty good, friends, in terms of identifying the colors and increasing the saturation levels. So AI, if you enable, that will be a very good option. And next, let's check if there is a flashlight or not. So there is a flashlight. The screen will turn on, as you can see, friends, bright. So same kind of flashlight is also present. So let me turn on and do the flashlight thing at same time. So let me take the shot at same time and let's see which phone will be brighter. I think the surrounding area is already bright, so that's why the screen, everything is bright, as you can see, friends, in terms of having white color. But the Poco X2 tends to have orange kind of color. So that is the one thing which we can see and notice here in terms of having the flashlight. So let me delete all the images. So because I don't want to show this image as a sample images, so that's why. So this is a front camera flashlight, friends, so which let me turn off automatically. Yep. And let me go to the settings and let me show you what resolution you can record. And in settings of the, let me go to the video. And you can see here, friends, in terms of the video, you can record 1080 at 30 FPS in both phones. So at 1080 is the maximum in both the phones and with 30 FPS. So that's the one thing you need to notice in terms of having the video. And you also get this kind of option, timer and palm shutter. So palm shutter, maybe it works with a palm, showing the palm with the front cam, so it works. Show your palm. Let me try to palm to the camera to start timer, so it starts the timer, friends. So having this option will also help in terms of while taking the selfie. So this is the overall camera interface and how it looks. And let me go to the photo mode. And let me go to the portrait mode. Let's check what are the other options you get in the portrait mode. So in the portrait mode, you get the beauty on the Honor 9X Pro, and here also you get the beauty as well in terms of Poco X2, increase or decrease. And there are different filters available by default. And this is the aperture which you can change. And this is a studio lighting which you can stage. So there are different effects like this rainbow and movie, and this is a studio light, which is very interesting friends. So same kind of features also present in the Honor 9X Pro in the FX. So where is the last option is stage lighting. So if you enable this kind of shots you can get even in the Honor 9X Pro device. So let me compare side by side how the both phones did in terms of the trimming the video. As you can see, so the complete video looks black and white in the Poco X2, and in the Honor 9X Pro it looks color. As you can see friends, that's the one difference which I noticed. And you also get the option to change again later. As you can see, different modes you can try. So you can increase or decrease the blur effect if you want. So let me show you the normal portrait mode which I have taken here. So this is a normal portrait mode friends. And it is another normal shot, front camera selfie shot which I have taken. So if you observe closely, you can see the Honor 9X Pro covers a little bit more, as you can see friends. So I think the Poco X2 is similarly like this at the moment, maybe a little bit like this. But in the Honor 9X Pro you get extra as well friends. So the extra area will be covered in terms of covering the front camera. So this is pretty much useful in the Honor 9X Pro. So only for this thing I can give points to the Honor 9X Pro device friends. So this is what the selfie lovers want. They want to cover the everyone. For example, if you're taking the selfie with the 20 people or 30 people, if you want to cover them, so then the Honor 9X Pro will do that job pretty much easily. So you don't need to stretch the hand much. So even in the Poco X2 I did, but still as you can see friends, the area is not covered much. So let me open the details of this video and show you the size, how much it is, the front camera size. So here you can see friends the resolution and the size, 2.47 MB and 3456 into 4608. And here in the resolution of the Poco X2 you can see the resolution is high. So it's 20 megapixel friends, so that's why. And the size is also 7.24 MB. That is also a little bit big in terms of the size. So let me try to zoom in. The details are a little bit good in the Poco X2 friends in terms of having the details. And here is another portrait shot which I have taken. So after taking the shot you also get the option to decrease or increase the blur effect. So you can add different modes as well friends. So this is another good advantage in the Poco X2. But overall the Honor 9X Pro has this kind of advantage of covering extra, and so that is a good thing. So let me try to open the camera and show you real time how it works. So let me try to disable everything friends. So let me try to open the photo. So as you can see in the photo mode, both the phones are side by side, and you can see in the Honor 9X it covers a little bit of more area. So even you can see Find My AC remote as well friends in terms of Honor 9X Pro. So whereas in the Poco X2 that's not the case. So overall the extra area covered in the Honor 9X Pro helps a lot in terms of taking the front camera. So that is what I noticed in my test, and I pretty much liked in the Honor 9X Pro. And let me open the video which I recorded in both the phones at same time. And all these videos are recorded side by side friends, and here is a video which I recorded in both the phones at same time. And as you can see, you can see the highly saturated colors in the Poco X2, and the Honor 9X Pro looks close to realistic colors. You can see here clearly the difference in terms of green color. So let me try to play the video at same time. And here is a front camera clarity for the both of them. I'm recording the video at same time in both the phones friends. So overall you can see exactly how is the colors in both the phones. And overall I like the Honor 9X Pro camera front cam pretty much than the Poco X2. So where you can understand clearly. So let me try to clearly see the difference in terms of the colors, how it looks. overall in terms of the front camera, the points goes to the like the Honor 9X Pros pretty much. So which I can see the clearly the difference in between both the phones side by side. So if you observe friends, the voice in the Poco X2 is not that loud. So this is what I noticed exactly right now I'm making this video. So before also I did not notice that much difference, but when the time right now I'm playing side by side friends, so you can clearly see the audio in the Honor 9X Pro recorded pretty loud, pretty good. But in the Poco X2 did not record that much loud friends, so that is a little bit drawback. So let me open the properties of the video, so to show you the what is the size and how much it is. You can see the size as well, 115 MB, and in the Poco X2 the size is of 140 MB friends. So here you can see the 140 MB. So this is what the front camera size. So overall this is the quality of it looks side by side when you compare. So if you want high saturated colors and high contrast colors, then Poco X2 is good friends. So there is no doubt at all. But if you want to cover extra area in terms of front camera, then definitely the Honor 9X Pro is the good. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel friends, and don't forget to join in the Telegram and Instagram. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.